What's up guys, it's Melissa and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be making butter slime for the first time. And if you guys haven't subscribed, go and subscribe right now and turn on post notifications. And if you guys can hear the background noises like it's raining and stuff, it's because it's raining. It's raining cats and dogs for an hour. I do not know why, and my hamsters are just chilling there. They're just sleeping, so yeah. So to make butter slime, I have seen a lot of all these like butter slime, how to make butter slime videos, and it seemed pretty easy. You only need to make regular slime and put clay in it. So yeah, it seems pretty easy. So I'm gonna make the regular slime right now. So I'm using this glue, and here's my like container-ish to like store the slimes and stuff. So yeah, put my glue in. I guess I should, yeah. Alright, that's much better so you guys can see me making the slime. And what are this chunky stuff? So yeah, I do not know what's that. Right. Just put the glue in. Alright, put it all in. Ooh, okay. Wow. Okay. So just wait it for it to flow and stuff. Yeah. Okay, I guess. Oh my goodness, there's more in there. Oh, so my hamster has awakened and they're really scared right now. I don't know why. Right. I'll be back because this glue is not coming out. So I've managed to get all the glue out. It took me like 5 minutes to get it out, so yeah. And now it's time to activate it. I use this borax solution. So let's activate it. Okay. Don't want to activate it like too much. I don't want to like activate it and make it too activated, you know? Like overactivated, yeah. Ooh. So it's kind of forming together right now. Just keep mixing. Okay. So this process need to be really patient. Like sometimes I get really aggressive and just pour like the whole bottle of borax in. Oh, okay. Let's put more. Oh, okay. Ew, it's so like ew. Okay. So I'll be back when this slime is done. So I've made the slime. And this is a white color because I want to use this yellow clay to make the butter slime. So yeah, I want to make like the butter effect type of color, you know. So yeah, that's gonna put clay into the slime. Okay. Ooh, this feels really interesting. It's like slime-like clay thing. I don't really know. Hopefully this will work. I do not know how much clay should I put in. I'm just gonna like estimate it maybe. Okay. So I guess this is enough. I don't really know. Maybe a bit more. Okay, yeah. So gonna put in here. Whoa. Okay. Let's mix it. Wow. This is pretty satisfying. Wow. Makes great bubble pops. Let's mix it slowly. Well, this is actually pretty hard to mix. Yeah. Alright, so here's my butter slime, and it's actually pretty good. Okay. So here's the final result. Whoa, okay. Ooh. This is actually the best slime I've ever made. I know it's not. You guys would think it's like just butter slime, but wow, this is so soft. Like I'm holding marshmallows right now. Wow, this is like legit soft. I know, like, wow. Ooh. So let's test the butter effect, you know. Let's see, spreads. Wow, it does spreads like really good. Okay. Whoa. Let me roll into a ball and then spread it for you guys. Ooh, really satisfying. It's a bit sticky, yeah. I know it's a bit sticky. Oh my goodness. Okay. Make a butter swirl. Yeah, it's pretty hard to make a slime swirl. Yeah. Really clicky. Love this. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoy. If that, smash that like button, and if my comment sections are open, and if you guys want me to make more of these slime videos, you can comment down below. So let me know. And yeah, bye. See you guys soon.